Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Mini Flat Angled Kabuki brush from Beauty Junkies. The Mini Flat Angled Kabuki brush is great for precision contouring, whether carving out your cheekbones, creating the illusion of a slimmer nose, or a pouty lip. The small size and the flat angle of this brush makes precision contour a breeze. To use for contouring your cheeks, pick up a small amount of product and start stippling it along the hollows of your cheek, creating an upward slanting line from your ear to about the center of your cheek. Once the contour shade is applied, gently sweep back and forth to blend, as well as upward to diffuse the color out and create the illusion of a more chiseled cheekbone. The soft, dense bristles do all the work, helping you create a beautifully seamless look. Next, repeat on the other side. If you want to create the illusion of a slimmer nose, use the angled kabuki along the sides of your nose, sweeping just a touch of product at a time all the way down to the tip of your nose and sweeping upwards to the beginning of your brows. Doing this creates the illusion of a shadow and a thinner nose. The closer the lines on either side of your nose, the more thinner your nose will appear. You can also create the illusion of a more pouty lip by applying contour just under the lower lip as well. Again, this creates a shadow effect, which can give the look of a pretty pouty lip. And that's how you can use the Mini Flat Angled Kabuki brush from Beauty Junkies. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.